What's going on, guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online using a very simple AI method. You can set this up, do this all very quickly and start earning income online. Now, this is a brand new method to my channel. We haven't talked about this specific method before, so you're going to want to stay all the way to the end and get on this before other people get on this before you. And you're going to hear about this all right now, so make sure you stay tuned. Now, I'm going to take you through everything step by step as well. We're not going to miss out any information in this video, so you know exactly what to do. And this works worldwide. It doesn't matter what country you're in. So let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online. We bring out videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Let's get started on this method. All right, guys, before we get into this method, there's a few tools we're going to have to sign up to actually make this work. So let's jump into that first. Now, this video might be pretty quick because it's actually very easy to do this method. So let's get started. So the first website you're going to want to sign up to is a website called ClickBank.com. You can simply go to clickbank.com and click on start here, and you're going to get taken to a page where you can sign in. I'm already signed in, so I'm not going to do that, but you want to go to clickbank.com. The second thing we need to do is we need to go to a website called youragent.com. I will leave a link down below in the description where you can actually get access to this, and we are going to need this as well. Now, there's two things we can do here. If you want to do this for free, you can sign up to a website called medium.com. So this is a free version of what we're going to be doing. So you can sign up to this. Or you can sign up to a website called bluehost.com. I'll leave a link below. It's an affiliate link, and you could do that. You could actually use this if you want. It doesn't really matter what one you use. One is free, one is paid. The paid version is probably going to be better in the long term and really is going to be better for what we're trying to do. And I'm going to be using the paid version in this tutorial, but you can use medium.com as well. So let's get started on how we can actually make money with this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead to clickbank.com and you want to sign into clickbank.com. Now, I'm going to assume you've already set up your website and everything like that. Now, you don't actually need to really set it up. I'm not going to take you through how to start a website and all that because it's quite easy to do. They take you through the steps. However, once you've got your website created, it should look something like this, where you have like posts and stuff like that. It doesn't really matter because we're going to use AI to actually generate all of this content for us. So yes, you want to sign up to ClickBank. And then what we want to do is you want to just get familiar with ClickBank. So they have what is called a marketplace where there's products that we can go ahead and sell for a commission. So for example, we're just going to use this product for an example right here. I could go to promote and I'm going to get what is called an affiliate link. I'm going to go ahead and get this affiliate link right here, where if someone clicks on that and makes a purchase, I go ahead and get $149 on average per conversion every time somebody does that. And there's different types of categories as well that we can actually do this on. There's like make money online, there's animals, there's all sorts of stuff, there's computers, betting systems, heaps of stuff, right? Cooking and wine. There's lots of different ones that you can do. Now, what I would recommend you do is choose a product that doesn't have a lot of competition. You can go ahead and do some research on that. Now, what I would do is I would pick a product that has a high gravity score. Means that lots of people are making money with this because this is a sales, and it means that people are actually searching these particular products. Now, once you've got yourself familiar with ClickBank, you want to come over to this youragent.com, your AI agent, and you want to go ahead and you want to go to settings, and you want to actually go ahead and connect what platform you're going to use. Now, if you have a website like this, like a normal website, WordPress, through Bluehost, for example, you would click on WordPress and you would follow the steps to actually set that up. If you had a Medium account, which is a free website, you would go ahead and you would click medium.com. Okay. Actually, you might do wordpress.org for the website, either one, wordpress.com or .org. And you can see that I have my website down here. So you want to go ahead and connect that up. The next step is you want to go to home and you want to just go and click autoblogging, create hundreds of SEO optimized blog posts. Now we want to go back to ClickBank here and we want to find a product to promote. Now, like I said, you're going to want to do a product that has a lot of gravity score on the product that's actually getting searched. The goal of this tutorial is to make lots of content and get lots of clicks via a lot of content. So rather than do like 1 or 2 blog posts, we're going to do thousands of blog posts. And if we get even 1 click on each blog post per day, it would rack up to thousands of clicks or hundreds of clicks. So I'm just going to use this one for example. And what you want to do is you want to click on it and you want to see what the home page looks like. We're going to use some text from this to see what it is. And I'm just going to copy this here. And we're going to use this to generate our content. But this is the product here. It's a tea or something like that, where if someone made a purchase through here, you would get a commission. So let's get started. You want to go, once you've connected your website to this auto blogging software, you want to make sure it looks like this. And this is what happens. We can post articles. So we can post an article at any time. So if we leave it on, if we do random, it's going to post an article between 1 to 24 hours. Or we can choose when we want to post an article, every 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever. If I put it on 1, this is going to post an article optimized on my website every single hour. So I don't have to do anything. It's all optimized, ready to go. And I'm going to click on standard. So this is the article length here, short, standard, medium, long, or extra long. And then we want to put in an AI prompt. So we're going to go ahead and just post in the world's first, and I'm going to go write me an article about Java Burn. The world's first and only natural formula, etc., etc. And then there's an image prompt. So if you want to have images in your article, you can go ahead and put a prompt in. But this is where we want to put in our keywords. So we would put stuff like Java Burn and then Java Burn review. And what we can actually do is we can use ChatGPT to give us a list of keywords. I'll show you. So if we go to ChatGPT here, I can say, I'm writing an article about a health tea called Java Burn. Give me a list of 20 keywords for my affiliate review of the product. I don't know what it's going to give us, but let's see. Yep, there we go. So it's given us a great list of stuff here. We can go ahead and copy this. Hopefully it copies it nice and clean. We go back to here and we post it in there. Okay, so we have to do every single word separately. That's fine. You would just go ahead and take every single word, post it in here, and you can go ahead and add all of those keywords if you like from ChatGPT. The next thing is we can actually go and put in links here. So we take our affiliate link. So we go to here, we go promote, we put in our name here and we copy this here. This is the affiliate link down the bottom. And we go ahead and we put it in here. And what text do we want to have? So let's just say buy Java Burn. Whenever the article posts and there's the word buy Java Burn, or we could even say Java Burn or something like that, it will link to your affiliate link. Now keep in mind, you might have to go through and check and make sure it actually did its job right, but that's what you would actually go ahead and do. And then we can go ahead and we can, so just want to make sure everything's all good here. And then we can go generate posts. I actually did it by mistake, but if we forward, you'll see that right here. It's got it, and it's going to do it every single hour. Every single hour, it's going to post an article with my affiliate link in it. And if we click edit, we can edit this whenever we like. So this is an automated system where we can post affiliate marketing articles online on websites and essentially get thousands of clicks to our affiliate links. It's really, really good. So here's an example of one that I did a while ago. I will show you kind of the quality and stuff. And this is posted automatically. So I don't do this on this website anymore. I just use it for, I used it for a example to kind of test it out and stuff. And I run it on my affiliate websites now. But if we look at this, this is an article that it wrote. There's no pictures, but it's pretty good. And you can read it clearly, and that's it there. And then there's another one here as well that was written by AI, and that is this one here. And this is written by AI as well. 6 simple methods to prevent trout line tangling for beginners. This is all AI. This is posted online. This is SEO optimized. So that, guys, is a great way to go ahead and make money with affiliate marketing. All you need to do is find a product on clickbank.com, which we did an example of Java Burn here. You need to go ahead and start a website, either a paid one or a free one. I would recommend a paid one just because it's better in the long term. You need to go ahead and set up. I'm going to delete this just because I don't want to post this on my site every hour. What you want to do is, when you go to settings, you want to go ahead and connect your websites, and then you want to go ahead and you simply go through the steps that I just showed you to make an optimized article. To make an optimized article that you can go ahead and post every single hour or every single day or every single few hours on your website to go ahead and make money by putting your affiliate link in here. But what I would suggest is, once it's posted, or every day, just go and check and make sure your affiliate links are in there. Like, for example, you would scroll through the content and just see if the link has actually come through, and double check it's right, because sometimes, things might not get posted right, and just double check everything and see if everything's working. All right, guys, that's a great way you can go and make money online with AI right now.